Hi, in February, my face looked like this. You must have seen that in videos of the time, So right now, my face looks like this. I didn't, feel very good about myself at any point of time. But, in February, it wasn't so bad. My acne had gone completely from about August last year. I hadn't had any acne from July, August last year. My acne scars were improving. The pitted acne scars from a bad breakout in 2016. You can see my acne journey linked in the description box below. So all that was looking up. And then in 2017, I was hospitalized for, anaphylaxis and bad urticaria. So last year I was put on cyclosporins, which were tapered off and stopped about June, July-ish. And after that, the acne stopped and everything started looking up. So this year, my allergies have reared their ugly head again. And now we know the culprit. It is wheat. So wheat is in everything. It's everywhere. So lots of exposure. And in 4 weeks alone in April and May, I've had 8 different, instances of exposure. I've been hospitalized with angioedema, eyelids and lips swollen, breathing difficulty, put on a nebulizer. I was actually hospitalized on the 7th of May and discharged on the 10th of May. So if you've been following my Insta stories, you know all of this. So this is the confirmed cause. And because of all this, lots of steroids there because, it's an emergency. You've got to open up the breathing passage and all that. And so they give you steroids. So because of the steroids, lots of acne. So right before doing this look, here is me. Right before putting on this foundation, here is the acne, so you can see for yourself. So I haven't applied foundation yet, except on the forehead, because I wanted to show you the situation right now. There's cystic acne here. You can probably see that. There's hyperpigmentation and cystic acne here. The cyst actually extends from here to here, and it's quite painful to chew. There is a cyst coming up here, and one on its way out here. One is coming here. It's actually a closed comedon right now, but it will develop into a lot because there's that pain beneath that lump. This is another one that is definitely coming. Oh, yeah, that's painful. So that is the situation right now. So in addition to the acne, there is also a case of puffiness and mooning. That is the result of constant exposure to steroids. From March 18th, I think I've had, about 9 or 10 instances of roid exposure, with 8 of them coming in 4 weeks' time. So you can see that February, I look like this, and now my face actually looks like this. So here there's a bit of puffiness. In addition to that, I've gained about 3 kilos of weight as well. So the result of all of this, we're getting there, is that, there is no laser, no acne scar revision procedure since March 18th. I have been taken off tretinoin, prescription tretinoin. My skincare routine has gone for a toss because lots and lots of cystic acne. There's a cystic mass from here till here. And as I told you, about 8 or 9 other cysts coming up. So Pixi sent me some products for review. It is the Glow Collection, and I've been sitting on it because of this state of affairs. I don't want to, I get urticaria every morning, and I'm on antihistamines, about 8 doses of antihistamines every day to keep the urticaria down. So I didn't want, to use any new products. So I went to see my dermatologist yesterday. That is May 17th. The date of recording this video is the 18th of May. I was discharged on the 10th of May. So 17th, I had a review, went to see the bloke. And he actually, I took these products along, and he okayed the entire lot for use because they are all oil-free and they're all mild, and they're all non-comedogenic. He's sort of confirmed them. So I've been using them from yesterday, and I will not be telling you my thoughts on these as of now. I will be doing another video on about June 18th or 19th, and then I'll be sharing my thoughts with you. So the problem with steroid-induced acne, first of all, it's along the jawline. As you can see, that's hormonal acne, usually on the jawline. And the problem with steroidal acne is no matter what you throw at it, until the steroids wear off from the bloodstream, they're going to be there. And I've had a lot of exposure to steroids. As I said, until the day of discharge, I was still getting roids. So I've only not had roids for about a week now. So this entire collection is inspired by the award-winning iconic Glow Tonic. It is intended to exfoliate, hydrate, and nourish your skin and give you that signature Pixi glow. As I said, right now my skin has no glow. It's wrecked. In one word, it's wrecked. So let's see if this back to basics routine with just, a mild glycolic. None of these is harsh. The Glow Tonic itself is 5% glycolic. The rest of them all mild. I will be using sunscreen in addition to this, no fear. So mild skincare routine, just glycolic, aloe vera and ginseng. Let's see how well they do and how well my skin does with all the steroidal acne. So this is the entire collection of skincare products that I'm going to be using in addition to sunscreen for the next 1 month. So there's also no shea butter and no wheat in any of these products, no triggers either for allergy or for acne. So very quickly, these are the products that I'm going to be using in my skincare routine from yesterday. First of all, cleanser, oil cleanser. I will be using the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Light Oil Cleanser to remove makeup. And after that, my second cleanse, as well as my morning cleanse, will be the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Now, one thing about the entire collection, the Glow collection, all of them contain glycolic acid, aloe vera, and ginseng. So the intention of all of them is to exfoliate, moisturize, and soothe. So I need mild exfoliation, to keep my skin, the turnover of the epidermis at a constant rate. I don't want to, end up with dead skin to clog pores. So some exfoliation, soothing definitely I need, moisturizing definitely I need. And right now even air is breaking me out, water is breaking me out. So because of the roids. So I want something that's very, very mild. So this one is going to be my cleanser. I'm replacing the Good Morning Low pH cleanser from Cosrx for a month, and after that we'll see how it goes. So this is going to be my cleanser. So the cleanser contains, in addition to aloe vera and glycolic, kiwi fruit extract, apple extract, grapefruit extract, orange fruit extract. So lots of fruit enzymes there, lemon extract, horse chestnut extract, witch hazel extract, pineapple extract, lactobacillus ferment. And this is actually made in Korea. So and the texture and the feel both are very similar to the Cosrx Good Morning Low pH Cleanser, which is also Korean. So I'm quite happy that this is made in Korea. I'm used to Korean skincare. And obviously right now I've stopped my Pyongyangul. Pyongyangul broke me out. Can you believe it? Hadalabo broke me out right now. Roids. Obviously, everything is going to break me out. So this one, made in Korea, very similar to the Good Morning Low pH Cleanser. No sulfates. So there won't be any lather. It's a second cleanser. And this is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Everything is based on the Glow Tonic, obviously. Obviously, I'm going to be using the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is not... You've seen all my reviews of Glow Tonic in the description. I mean, not all my reviews, all my previous posts on the Glow Tonic. I've linked them all up in the description box. That's in my bedroom. This is my recording and beauty room. Completely different place. Skincare is in my bedroom. So I'm on my 8th bottle of Pixi Glow Tonic. Pixi Glow Tonic was the first skincare product I started using regularly and religiously. It was the first skincare product I bought. It was a product that turned me into a skincare junkie. So I'm back on Pixi Glow Tonic because, along with tretinoin, it was the only one that was mild enough. So right now I've chucked the tretinoin. Too sensitive my skin right now. So the Glow Tonic twice a day, going to go right on my skin after cleanser. Now, you already know that the Glow Tonic contains 5% glycolic acid in addition to ginseng, aloe vera, and a bunch of things. I have a mammoth post on the Glow Tonic, which I will hit up in the description box below. You can also see a couple of posts here as we go along this video. So my serum is going to be, because all serums are right now breaking me out. I've stopped Hada Labo, I've stopped hyaluronic, I've stopped everything. Everything is breaking me out right now because of the roid acne. The serum that I'm going to be using is the Glow Tonic Serum. Now, apart from glycolic acid, this also contains cucumber extract, ginseng extract, ascorbic acid, retinyl palmitate, and glycerin. So, there's soothing in there, there's moisturizing in there, there's exfoliation in there, and there's some ascorbic acid. That's the only vitamin C that I'm going to use right now. My derm specifically told me, don't use Vit C until your roid acne is gone. After that, knock yourself out. So that's going to be my serum and my gel. That is moisturizer. I'm going to go in for a moisturizing gel because, a lotion or a cream is going to be, comedogenic for me right now. And I already have roid acne. This is the pH phenomenal or phenomenal gel. Let's just call it phenomenal. Play on words there, pH. So this one is supposed to balance the pH of your skin. It contains horse chestnut for hydration and smoothing. It contains aloe vera. It also contains citric acid for brightening. So some vitamin C in there as well. Now this one also contains blueberry extract, witch hazel extract, ascorbic acid, cucumber fruit extract, and retinyl palmitate. Now, normally a lot of skincare, Pixie's Rose collection, for instance, contained a lot of essential oils and, oil ingredients. That was all very well when my skin was not breaking out, was not acneic, when there was no steroid anywhere within a mile of my body, when obviously, the weather was colder. I've reviewed the Rose collection here. I'm a huge fan. There will be empties in June or July, most probably June. I don't use those products right now because of the oil ingredients. My derm has said no oil right now. This collection is very, very interesting in that there is absolutely no oil except in one product, and that's hydrogenated castor oil, which is there even in your Japanese or Korean products, a dime a dozen. It's there anyway. So it's not an essential oil product as it's more of an emulsifier agent. So it's not there to act as an oil on your skin. It's there to help those products be mixed together properly. So the only product with the oil in this entire range, that is hydrogenated castor oil, not oil, emulsifier oil, is the next one that I'm going to be talking about. On the Glow, this is a stick moisturizer. Very intriguing. I've never come across a stick moisturizer till date. Again, it contains ginseng and glycolic. It also contains vitamin D2, which is a powerful antioxidant. Now, I've only swatched this, confession. All the other products I've used yesterday and this morning. This one I haven't used, I've only swatched it. So, to get the product out, you do that. And it looks like that. And so that's not too greasy. Now, the good thing about this is that it's very, very portable. You can pop it into your purse. Remember to close the stick after use. Otherwise, the lid can pop off. And this happens. Right. Be right back. Sorry about that. I'm klutzy. So as I was telling you, the On the Glow stick is a portable moisturizer that you can pop into your purse, handbag, wherever. And whenever you need a bit of hydration, this is ideal. I used to use Mist more. I've actually finished the Pixi Rose Mist. You'll see that in my June empties. Stay tuned for that. I'll be talking more about that in my June empties post. I loved it. The only problem is it contains oils, essential oils. So right now I can't go near my skin with oils. Once my steroids are out of the way, once I'm no longer being exposed to wheat, which is the most important thing, because when you're exposed to that allergen, you have reactions and you've got to go on roids. So once that is out of the way, I will definitely be going back to all the oils I love. But right now I'm on this very back to basics, very, very minimalistic routine, no oils whatsoever. So this one contains, as I told you, hydrogenated castor oil to act as emulsifiers. Obviously, it's a stick product. Apart from that, the other products in this range don't contain oils. Now, while I do my review in June, when I will be showing you my progress on acne-prone skin, on what has happened with the steroidal acne, how these products have helped me out, how they worked, when I do that, I will be talking more about each product in depth. So do stay tuned for my update in June 2019. I should, the 1 month journey tracking the progress is only for until June 17th. But if there's improvement, if there's absolutely no acne, I will definitely be continuing these products until my skin is completely acne free. Hopefully there won't be, as I said, exposure to roids. So depending on when my my schedule at the time, it should be up by around June 20th, 22nd, 23rd-ish. Stay tuned for that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.